Hello, it is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at Point Realty. And I just wanted to shoot a little video to explain to everyone kind of the difference between what we were doing before we owned Point Realty and what we are doing now. Over the last 6 to 8 months, I've had a lot of people ask, like, okay, now that you're not with your previous company, you've opened this other company, like, what does that mean? Why would you do that? What's the difference? Are you still buying and selling property with people? Do you still work as a realtor, like listing houses, helping buyers, etc.? So I just wanted to address that because a lot of people don't really know like the ins and outs of, independent contractors as real estate agents and how kind of the structure of the real estate business. So I want to address that because I want you to know that number one, yes, we do still help people buy and sell property. That is the bread and butter of our business. That is the most important thing that we are still doing here as agents under Point Realty. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get that cleared up. If you are looking to purchase something, if you need to list your home, if you're wanting to be an investor and you want to purchase rental properties or flips or whatever, if you need a property management company to help you manage those properties, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. We do all of that, like I said, bread and butter of our business. So really the reasoning behind it and the difference is just that we are now doing it under our own company name rather than doing it under someone else's. I am now a real estate broker rather than just a real estate licensed salesperson. So every licensed salesperson in the state of Texas is required to have a sponsoring broker, and that broker is essentially helps you carry certain types of insurances and make sure that you're compliant to different rules and regulations and everything else. So it's sort of your responsible party. So people who know me really well might joke, is Stephanie really the responsible party? Yes, she is. Stephanie is responsible. She is the one who is making sure that the agents under our brokers are compliant with the rules and regulations. So all that to say, I am a broker of Point Realty. I am still a licensed salesperson, which means that yes, I am still working with you and for you to help you buy and sell property. But now it also means that if you happen to come across a real estate agent that is not happy with their current brokerage, or they're getting licensed and they're looking for a place to go, I now can sponsor other agents and they can come work with us. And that is one of our goals, in addition to buying and selling property with our friends, family, all the people who we love and want to help accomplish their real estate goals. We also have a heart for agents who want to learn the business, and I want to teach them what I know so that they can grow their business as well. So it's a two-pronged thing. We're buying and selling property. We're teaching agents to be amazing. And so that's what we're doing here at Point Realty. I hope that clears that up. And if you have questions about what we're doing, or you're curious or whatever, never hesitate to call, text, email, shoot us a message on social media, whatnot, all the things. I hope everyone is having a great start to your new year, and I can't wait to catch up with you soon. Thanks so much.